Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have a video to show you, and this is from Craftibly. This is my order from their recent sale as we were all trying to jump in and help them, and we did. So this is what I bought. I'm going to show it to you, okay? My little note here. Hello, my friend. Thank you for being our hero. You answered the call and stepped up to see us through a difficult time. We are so very thankful for you. We hope you enjoy your purchase. And that was from Amy, the crafty wife. And so I have some prices here. Not that you can get these items. Everything that I have is sold out, as is most of their website. And that is awesome. It has given them some freedom to move forward, to pay some bills, to get some product coming to them. It's awesome. We're going to keep Craftibly alive, folks. We're going to keep them alive, keep them going. All right. So I have a diamond painting, and I have the other stuff is crochet stuff. So let's show it to you. I'm just going to do it all together. Why not? So let's start here. Well, it's not all crochet. I take that back. So when I was ordering, this I think caused me some trouble. This is a 56 grid storage for your drills. This was $3.20. I had 2 of them in my cart, and it wouldn't let me check out. It told me I had a problem with my cart, and then I refreshed a few times, and one of them dropped off because it sold out, and I ended up with one of them. So anyhow, I got this because I know my friend Angie loves this kind, and they were $3, and I was like, let's just do this. I kind of thought maybe we would kit up our project together in these, but we didn't. So anyhow, I got that. Okay, next. What's next? I already have a set of these, and I thought it never hurts to have more than one set of crochet hooks. I'm not going to go into this as in depth as I did the first time. I put it in a yarny video, but let's just go through it rather quickly, and I'll show you what came in this. Sure, I will. How do we open it? It's stuck. My zipper's stuck. Oh no, I got a stuck zipper. Oh look, my zipper has a little snag in it. How am I going to get past that? I don't know. Oh, there. Okay, there. And that's the side I really need. Okay, so these are ergonomic crochet hooks. Look at all the pretty colors. These are nice hooks. I'm using one of these. I like it. They're perfectly grand hooks with some accessories here. My husband asked me the other day, he opened up the drawer in the coffee table, and there's like 3 of these in there. He goes, what in the world? I said, I know. They're measuring tapes. They just come with everything I get. All right, so that's that side. And then I loved the little kitty print on this. Look at all the cute little kitties. It's so cute. And then this side are steel hooks, which are the smaller ones. These are the little tiny ones. And I believe they have like 2 of each down here. There's other goodies, needle gauge. These are some little scissors. I think there's stitch markers. Yeah, stitch markers and things in here. So all kinds of little goodies came with this little set. Hopefully they will get some of these items back again because, I mean, you know, we like them. And we still want them to be the crafting store that they want to be, you know, with different types of items. That was $12.50. Okay. So they also had these, and these were, oh my gosh, these were like $4. Why were these only $4? Well, they were on sale, but they were $4. All right. It's another type of an ergonomic hook. Well, sort of. Let's see. So you'll see the different colors and the different sizes. There's a 6 and a 5.5 all the way down to a 2.5. Let's pull out the hook I use the most, which is a 5 right here. So these are interesting. I don't know. That might take some getting used to, but they got a nice grip there. I clutch up here pretty close. Anyhow, that might be kind of cool. They're kind of flat there. I don't know. Worth a shot. Give them a try, right? So anyhow, those are the hooks I got. And then I had to get one of these. I've wanted one of these since they first came out with it. And then Christmas came, and I got 2, 3. I don't know how many I got. Anyhow, this was on sale. It was $20 on their sale. I couldn't say no. and they were out of purple, which is okay because I have this bag in a purple. I do. So it's a nice storage bag, and these are awesome. They're much larger than you would think. So you see how it started out, right? Looks like a nice little messenger bag or something. Got a zipper here. No, it's not. Okay. We got a pouch in the front. And I do hope that they get some of these things back again in the future. More pouches. You can put hooks in here, storage here, all kinds of storage spaces in these. So basically, I'm going to have all these bags, and I'm going to have all these separate projects, and they're just going to have their own bag. In their own bag, right? So it grows. It grows. Let me just show you how big this thing gets. They get really large. All right, there we go. Big open bag. Oh, it's a little different than the other one I have. The other one I have is sectioned off in the center, where this one is just open in the center. Got another pouch here. But then, yeah, it does this. So you can bring this over and zip this. Okay, first of all, this one snaps. A little different. You see what I'm doing? I hope you can kind of see. So that one snaps like this, and you bring it over, and you can zip this up, and then you can run your yarn through here. So your yarn is down in the bottom, and you put your thread through here, and you just pull it out that way, and that will zip closed, and it'll be just like that. Then if you want to close it up completely, you're going away, you close up the top. There's another pouch there. It's a little different than the purple one. I thought it was exactly the same, but it's not. It's a little smaller. It's not bad. I like it. So I'm ready to kit up. Listen to me. Bag up another crochet project and put it in here. Love it. I love the bags. They're cool. So Craftibly, I mean, come on. You can get these back in again. I know you can. You know where to order them from. They're awesome. So that was like half price. I think they were like $40. Not on sale. Okay. Now, diamond painting. I talked with Michael about this, and I decided to get one. I decided to give it a try because they have a mystery kit. They had a couple of them, and that's what this is. And their mystery kit is a little different than any other of the mystery kits we've seen. And I wanted to check it out. My friends and I, that being Maritza, Kiss My Krafts, and Angie, the Craftnado, we're doing a mystery event. Yes, we are. We are doing a mystery event in April. So I think I'm going to do this one just because it's different. It's unique. Okay? Let's look at it. I'm super excited to see it. Now, this is a mystery painting, and you're going to see some of it. I don't know what you're going to be able to see, so just beware of that. And if you don't want to see it, I mean, you can't really go buy it right now, but you might have it. If you don't want to see it, don't look. Don't look. All right? I don't have a clue what we're going to see. Hang on. Where is my X-Acto knife? I can't find it. I need to cut some tape. Hang on. Gotta cut tape. I don't have a knife. Where's my knife? Okay, I got this though. I got this. I got the, hang on. How do I do it? I forget. I don't want to hurt myself, right? I don't want to hurt myself. I'll just do it this way. Okay, I'm just cutting tape. It's my Melly machete. I haven't had it out in a while. Okay. Tape. Cut tape. Come on. Okay, cool. Get my tape off here, and we can look at it. Okay. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? They have their soft back canvas serged and poked on the edges. You ready to see this? Let's just look at this first. That's upside down. Let's just take a gander right here. What do you think? What do you think? What do you see? Somebody's in my driveway. The mail person. Oh, I'm getting packages. Okay, look. You can't really see much there, right? So what they did, instead of this being just black and white, which a lot of mystery kits are, they have put color on here. So you'll see there's like some greenish, some purple, there's color. Now the drill, the actual drill field itself is a black and white symbol. See? Oh my goodness. black and white symbol. So it's a black symbol on a white background. Okay. And everything over here, no colors. There's 48 colors. Oh, look, there's ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs and 3 crystals in this. So look, then it changes over here. Okay. Now, this is the smart thing that has happened with the mysteries. It gives you kind of a sense of color here, but I don't even know if this, I've seen the picture. I know what it is, but I don't know if this is actually the colors that I would see on the picture or not. It's called Furry Friends, by the way, and they're round drills. So most mystery kits will be square, and it's just a plain white and black because the squares are going to go together and you're not going to see any background, right? But on a round drill painting, you're going to see some of the background between those drills. So they've just added this color behind them. And I talked to Michael the other day, and he was like, you know what? Wait until you see what we come up with next for a mystery. I got another idea. I mean, leave it to Michael. He has more ideas and more creative things going in his brain. It's crazy. All right. So, okay, here's what you get. There's what you get. That's what you're going to see. You can't tell what that is. You really can't tell what that is. It's a furry friend, but you can't tell what that is. Here's our sticker sheet. All these will peel off and go on your containers and things. That's pretty cool. So, I mean, if you look at it this way, oh, there's their little pamphlet too. I mean, you can see there's something here, right? And there's stuff on the sides, but it's lighter in the center and dark. I don't know. You can't really tell a whole lot, can you? I know what the image is, and I don't remember it all that well. I mean, I do, but I don't. I don't remember all the details. You know what I mean? And it's pretty cool, though. I mean, the plants, it looks like trees and stuff. It looks like apples up there, but I don't remember there being apples in the picture. I don't know. Anyhow, it's kind of cool. I think I'm going to do this for the mystery event just to see how this style works out. And the fact that it's round drills is very interesting to me, right? And here's our colors. I'll find the ABs and the crystals, but here's our colors. Blues, grays, some greens, yellows, pinks. Let's find the ABs and the crystals. I'll look at those. I'm not going to try to find them on here. Don't, no. We're not even going to look. We'll just see what those colors are. All right, where do they start? They start right here. So here's all the specials right here. All the special stuff. So we have, not that one. Nope, not you. We start here. The white AB, a lot of those. A very orangey yellow. Pretty blue. What are they calling it? 820. Okay, there are DMC numbers. Okay. A red, kind of a salmony red. 3801. Oh, a lot of this one. This pale yellow. 3823. Then we have crystals. We have a yellowy gold crystal, a red. And what are you? Let me see. I think it's just a deep, like garnet color. And can you see it? At first I thought maybe it was a dark pink, but I think it's more of a garnet. It's super pretty. So that's the ABs and the crystals. This will be fun. This is what I'm going to do. I like the size of it. It's a 20-inch by 28-inch. Okay, here's one of those right here. It is. It's garnet. See, it's pretty. Oh boy. Anyhow, it'll be fun. I think this will be fun to do. Now I'm going to go look back at the picture again. Michael sent me the picture. Yeah, you know, I asked. I didn't care if it was a mystery. I think the mystery part for me will be just watching it come to life and become a picture, because right now it is not really a picture at all. You can kind of get a little sense of some things, but that's about it. I think it's fun. Fun. So join us for the mystery event, okay? If you have one of Craftibly's, pull it out. Do the Craftibly mystery if you have one. Just so I'm not alone. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm super excited. My order's here, and I'm more excited that Michael and Amy met their goals and we're moving forward, and it's onward and upward from here, you know. Only good things coming in the future. Yes. So there we go. I'm going to put this stuff away and move on with my day. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thanks for watching, everybody. I will talk to you all very soon. Bye, you guys.